Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make these green plantain akara. I think it's an African dish. I think it is an African dish, but I don't know exactly which part of Africa, but it looks really interesting and I had to share it with you guys. So here we go. So I have here 3 green plantains that I washed, and I have here 1 stick of chive, half of an onion, and some seasoned peppers, about 3 of them, and about a quarter of a red sweet pepper, just cut up into chunks. So the next thing I'm going to do, I am going to peel the green plantains. First I'm going to start off by cutting off the ends, right, and then begin to peel. Now for me personally, peeling the green plantain is a little difficult for me. I tried this technique as you see I'm doing here first, and that didn't really work out for me well, so I just opted out the easy way. As you can see, I'm going to do next. Again, you may have your own technique, that's all up to you. So I eventually decided just to peel it like this with a knife, and this worked out really fine for me. I'm happy with that. So here's the plantain all cleaned, and I washed it out. I washed it out afterwards, and I'm gonna cut it up into smaller pieces like this. And because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in my food processor, as you can see, as I do later on. So here's the green plantain all nicely cleaned and cut up into smaller pieces. So here's my mini food processor. I'll have to do it in batches because as I said before, this food processor is quite small, so I have to do the processing in batches. And the end result is to get a nice sort of a creamy consistency, right? That's the end result I'm looking for. So this is the consistency I'm looking for, to get it as smooth as possible as you can, nice and, you know, creamy sort of thing. So I'm happy with this result. So let's move on to the next step. So what I'm going to do, the chive and the onion and the sweet pepper, I'm just going to like blend it to get like sort of a like a little chunky like, and I'm going to add this to the blended, finely grinded green plantain. So this is the consistency I'm looking for with the other ingredients. I'm going to add them to the plantain. That's nicely blended, nice and fine and smooth. Mix everything together. I'm going to add some salt, basic seasoning. You could add pepper if you like yourself spicy. Mix everything together. So here's my pot on the stove. The oil is nice and hot. I just dropped a small piece of the mixture into the pot. As you can see, sizzling, so I know the oil is nice and hot. So I'm going to take about an ice cream scoopful of the mixture, and I found that I could easily shape it into like a circular shape, like how I make my fried bakes and stuff. The different fritters and patties I've been doing. It has a lot of moisture in it. You would notice, even though I didn't add any water while I was blending it. So this is what I will do. Right, I'll shape it like that. And just put it in the hot oil. course, you can shape it any shape that you like, but I noticed with as it has moisture in the mixture, it sticks to the bottom of the pot. But I just gently take a spoon and gently prise it from the bottom of the pot, and it's okay. My fire is on medium heat, if I didn't mention that before. Because remember, the plantain is not cooked, so you want it to cook properly before the outsides get nice and brown. I always like these sort of recipes where you don't have to add like those different other ingredients like eggs and flour and gluten-free, vegan. I'm noticing in this batch here that they're turning over quite easily. Maybe previously the first set the oil wasn't hot enough. Maybe that's why it was sticking to the bottom of the pot. Okay. These are really nice. Maybe I could probably try and make a garlic sauce to go with it. That should be interesting. I'll try that next time and let you know how that works. Many people have been asking me if I could make these sort of fritters, patties, bake them in the oven, but I find that especially when I did the lentil peas patty that is so very popular on my channel, people wondering if you could bake it. I baked that lentil peas patty before and I found it to be very dry. These other recipes, they're better when they're fried, unfortunately. Okay folks, we are all done. So this is what they look like inside. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, you must really give this a try. Really nice. The only thing with my blender, I bought a small blender, food processor, and it took me a longer while to get the consistency with the green plantain that I would like. Maybe if I bought a bigger food processor that with a powerful blade, it wouldn't have taken me so long. But anywho, you learn as you go along, right? Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button. Leave a comment for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.